I'm just going to go over the names and who the cars are. Oh, boy. 84 is Jake Van Oske. 66 is Adam Peshek. In the back, you've got 93 of Johnny Beinlich, the 7 of Jerry Stafford, and the 25 of Willie Nelson. As they're going to pick up speed, here they come, here they come, here they come! Green flag, and we're racing! And it's DJ Smith off to the races first. Here comes Jacob Nottestad. Max Kaler going with them. As they got 30 laps on the Rockford Speedway tonight for the Stanley Steamer late models. Here we go. Peshek was a little loose coming out of 4 in the 66 car. Reynolds Jr. looking to make his move on the Meteor Mike Lloyd in that 0 car. Here comes Jeremy Miller on the inside as Peshek and Beyer touch. So for the lead right now, it's DJ Smith, followed by Jacob Nottestad, Max Kaler, the fast qualifier, and driver X, John Reynolds Jr. Jeremy Miller challenging the 0 car, the Meteor Mike Lloyd. Here comes Miller. Miller looking to make his move around the 0 car, Mike Lloyd. Mike Beyer watching, waiting to see if something's going to happen for his chance. Here comes Mike Beyer. Whoa, Mike Lloyd almost lost it in the 0 car. Peshek right there. Probably had the best seat in the house to watch that. Thank God nothing happened. So it's going to be Beyer on the inside of Lloyd. Two drivers who know each other very well and have raced here several years in a row. Beyer trying to get around Lloyd. Adam Peshek looking to make a move too. Here comes Peshek in the 66 to pass the Meteor. Jake Van Oske looking to make his move around the 15 of Mitch Garfield. And the 7 of Jerry Stafford getting around Johnny Beinlich. Willie Nelson there starting to challenge Johnny Beinlich now to get out of that last place spot. Right now we're pretty close to single file racing except for Jake Van Oske and Mitch Garfield is there side by side there. Got a great race going. Jake Van Oske, one of the toughest drivers to pass here at Rockford Speedway. Seen him week in and week out. He will give you no room whatsoever. These guys will usually wear their tires out trying to get around him. So Johnny Beinlich off the pace there in the 93 car. As they're coming into turn 1, it's going to be DJ Smith. Oh, Max Kaler looking to challenge Jacob Nottestad. Jacob got a little too high. Max Kaler's taking second place. So it's Kaler second, Nottestad third, Reynolds fourth, Jeremy Miller fifth. Sixth is Mike Beyer. Looks like Jake Van Oske finally dropped back behind Mitch Garfield. Couldn't do it. Right now, DJ Smith, one very happy camper, running his dad's throwback paint scheme. This would mean everything for DJ to start off the season and get this first late model victory. As the race is looking to get near the halfway point, John Reynolds Jr. starting to look to the inside of Jacob Nottestad in that John Canals throwback driver X car. Jerry Stafford starting to put some pressure on Jake Van Oske back there towards the back. Here comes Stafford on the inside of Jake Van Oske. Here comes, Max Kaler starting to let DJ Smith know, hey, I'm here, let's get moving. So if anybody's saving any tires, I think now's the time to use it. Max Kaler with the fast time of the night. Let's see if DJ Smith can pull away from him. I don't know. As now we're past the halfway mark, we got 14 to go. Lloyd and Peshek make contact there going into 3. Looks like Lloyd's got some handling issues as that front end's kind of all over the place. So it's Smith, Kaler, Nottestad, Reynolds, and Miller, your top 5. Followed by Beyer, Peshek, Lloyd, Van Oske, and Stafford. Willie Nelson's bringing up the rear. Mitch Garfield to the inside in the 15 car. Jerry Stafford looking to challenge Jake Van Oske here. See what happens there. Both of them with new paint jobs on those cars this year. As we're winding down, it's still DJ Smith, Max Kaler, Jacob Nottestad. Looks like DJ Smith may be getting away from Max Kaler. Now Nottested's looking to put some pressure on Max Kaler. And we got a spin out with the Meteor, Mike Lloyd on the inside. That may cause a caution. So they're going to come to the line, and the yellow flag is going to come out right now. Yellow flag's out. As I said earlier, ladies and gentlemen, looked like Kelly Evig did it the last race. We'll see what happens. Lights on the car corner, pace truck are out. DJ Smith's going to pick up speed, bring them around. Here they come. Green flag, and we're racing. Looks like Max Kaler was going to try to get a run on DJ right off the get-go, and DJ closed the door on him quick. Jacob Nottested and Max Kaler, watch those two. That's going to be close. How's the inside for Max? Here comes Jeremy Miller to break into the top four, now getting around driver X. We've got 8 laps to go, Rockford Speedway. Looks like DJ Smith may be getting away. Byer and Peshek, big contact going into 3. Here comes Kaler, here comes Nottested. We got a race for second place. Miller wants in. Oh, this is gonna be close. Looks like Max Kaler is gonna get second place now. Jeremy Miller's looking to capitalize too. Let's see what's gonna happen. Laps are winding down. This could be DJ Smith's lucky night. Nottested and Miller. Miller going for third. Here comes driver X to take away fourth. Driver X on the inside of Nottested. Will Max have something for DJ? I don't know. 2 to go, this time by. Driver X on the inside of Nottested for 4th place. This is just a preview of what you're going to see next Saturday night. White flag out for DJ Smith. Oh my gosh, he could do it. Is he going to do it? Here we go. It's going to be DJ Smith. Wow. So we had DJ Smith, Max Kaler, Jeremy Miller for 3rd. Driver X for 4th, Nottested for 5th, Mike Byer 6th, Adam Peshek 7th. 8th goes to Jake Van Oske, 9th Jerry Stafford, 10th Mike Byer, and 11th Willie, not the singer, Nelson. Oh, I know this guy is one happy camper. The throwback theme, his dad's old paint job. He had been so close to getting some wins, and we talked about it on the Outside the Fence podcast earlier this year, and I can only imagine what he's feeling right now. He had to beat the best, and he did it. So tonight, DJ Smith is the best. As he's going to get out of the car, God, I can't even imagine what he's feeling right now. Oh, look at the smile on DJ's face. DJ, we're going to walk over here. Come on with me. Let's make a triumphant entrance. Everybody, please welcome our winner, DJ Smith Jr. Come on with me, DJ. Come on. Okay. You had to beat the best, and you did it, so I think tonight you're saying you're the best. What do you say?
I don't know about that, but there's a lot of heavy hitters out here, and we got it done. I love it.
Maybe it's the dad's throwback scheme. What do you think?
Old man was there all the way. Everything.
Oh, awesome. I I know somebody's very happy for you over here, DJ. Your fan club. Mrs. Deary wants to personally congratulate DJ Smith. All right, everybody else back. You're famous tonight, DJ.
DJ, you guys sponsors you want to thank real quick?
Oh, I got a ton of them.
Go for it.
Crazy Times, Jim Olsen Collision, Benny League Baseball, MW Grinding. They've been with us a long time. Buying his tires, good deal. Source Racing Engines. I got Left Turn Transport on the Borderline Auto Sales, Step One Racing, Moose Motorsports, Shoes, Signs by Shoes, Old Man Smith.
What? There you go. Were you worried when the caution came out? What were you thinking? That because I mean that's always interesting when the Kona Challenge came out. What were you thinking?
John, you don't want to know what I was saying.
Okay, we're not going to share that on here. All right. All right. Very happy camper. Great run, DJ Smith. Once again, fans, DJ Smith Jr. Don't go anywhere, fans. We got one more race coming your way. Be the Roadrunners.